Good job. You did a good job, Grayson. Num num. Using the spoon. Yeah, I think you spilled a little bit there. Here, that'll help for a sec. Here. Can we hold it like down here maybe? Yeah. Okay. Back to the end of the spoon. Yeah, you did good. Keep going. Right in the mouth. Good job, bud. You're good at eating. I don't think you got anything on there that time. That was pretty good. Yeah. Num num. Yeah, keep going. You're doing good. In your mouth. Oh, are you all done? No. Keep going. Num num. You gonna switch hands? Use your other hand, maybe. Or is that hand too icky? Ooh, there's a good bite. Make sure you get all in your mouth. Good job, Grayson. I don't think that's gonna work. You telling your mom about it? Yeah. That's how you do it, Mama. Are you all done, Grayson? You want some more? You're not all done. Keep eating. Num num. Good job. Yeah, hi. Good job, Grayson. Uh-oh. Yeah, hit some more. Num num. Yeah, you're doing good. Keep going. Eat some more. Get some more in your spoon. Good job. What's so funny, Grayson? What's so funny? Num num. Is Mama laughing at you? Oh, that didn't quite work. Num num. How much is left in there? You still got a lot left? Yeah, there's a lot left, Grayson. You better keep eating. Get some more in your spoon. Yeah, in your mouth. Oh, man. I guess that works. I don't know why you have the spoon for then. Are you making funny sounds now? Oops. Yeah, Yeah, get some more in your spoon. Get some more on there. Oh. Mm.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
You all done?
No, you got lots left. No, you got more. Oh.
Can you get it out?
Num num. Oh, good job. Yeah, get some more.
That's fine.
Yeah, take a chew break.